जैसे ही आप कुछ पढ़ते हैं, कुछ स्टडी करते हैं, तो जब एक बार आप पढ़ते हैं या तो आप 10वीं बार पढ़ते हैं, तो उसका असर ही कुछ अलग होता है। आपको ज्यादा समझ में आता है। You understand the depth more when you read often. No, you keep reading that one thing again and again. The meaning completely changes. You start understanding the depth of those words. You start realizing those words. It is just like we are climbing a high-rise building, and we stop over at every floor to see the view. And we are just looking the view from the 5th floor is different than the view is available on the 10th floor or just on the 50th floor. And on 100th floor, it is completely different. It completely changes the concept, what we see the view on 100th floor. So it is just like that. कि जब आप बार बार कुछ चीज देखते हैं, उसकी गहराइयों में जाते हैं, तो उसका असर ही कुछ अलग होने लगता है. And to understand the depth, you have to dive deep, है ना. और जब आप किसी चीज को समझना चाहते हैं, तो आपको वो बन जाना पड़ता है, नो. तब जाकर आप वो ट्रू एक्सपीरियंस कर पाते हैं. Otherwise, it will just remain on the surface, and that does not make any sense. Many people we have seen, they have so much knowledge, they are just a walking libraries. But that does not mean that they have acquired or experienced that knowledge, because theory cannot give you the whole experience. To get the experience, you have to dive deep. You have to study yourself, and you have to experience your own self. हम समझते हैं कि हमारा मन, बुद्धि से हम सब कुछ समझ सकते हैं. We think that we can understand through our mind, but to understand the self, you have to transcend the mind. And the usually normal psychological approaches, they say that if you understand through mind, so you have got the point, and it is that there they stop. But the yoga claims differently. The yoga claims you have to go, or you have to transcend the mind. You have to drop the mind logic, because logical mind cannot understand the unlimited things. The mind is limited, and the consciousness, the vast consciousness, or the self-study, what we are looking for, is unlimited. So the limited mind cannot understand unlimited. Yeah. So you have to stop or to drop your mind to understand the true self, and you have to become that experience to understand the true self. And that requires self-study, and that is Swadhyaya. कई बार हम इतना ज्ञान पा लेते हैं, we acquire so much knowledge through reading many books, listening to many things, and हमारा मन पूरा भर जाता है. But the study says, the prophets, they say that if you want to achieve something, you have to unlearn things. बच्चे के जैसा मन, innocent mind, खाली मन अगर आपका है, then you can experience and you can achieve your goals. और जब आप एक बच्चे के जैसे निर्दोषता, innocence if you carry, and true experience, when that comes out as words, then those words have weight. जब आप किसी को इस तरह से कुछ कहते हैं, तो that is appealing. उनको भी वो छू जाता है, and that makes some sense. And they also start realizing through your words the wisdom, and they also gain the experience how to progress on the path, and that is Swadhyaya. So that's all for Swadhyaya. In my next video, we'll be talking about Ishwar Pranidhana. नमस्ते।